Hello, my name is Nick with ELC. I'm in InfoComm 2026, and now let's come with our WF series. The size ranges from 10.95 inch to 32 inch, and the bezel is very narrow and it has very thin body. The way of the wall mounting is very special. It slides in and slides out. And PoE and NFC function is optional. It is with 10-point touch, and you can use it for digital signage, and with different softwares it can be used in many scenarios. And for more information you can come to our website www.elclcd.com.